There are toys in it.
This, the one is inside and inside.
Okay, from one cocoon, ladies and gentlemen, from this we make hundreds of meters long silk. Very long silk. This one? This one, yes. Just one. But the question is to find the beginning of this. Where is the starting point of this cocoon? Where does it start? Because if it's all continuous, logically that means there are two ends. One, two ends. Where is the first end of this cocoon? Can you find it? Maybe here, maybe this one. Maybe. Let me show you. This is the time to take videos if you want.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. Got pictures. And we soak them into the hot water first to make them softer. And then just by using a broom, very simple tool, watch what happens. These are the beginnings now.
Is it hot water?
Hot water, yes.
Wow.
And after we find the beginnings, we should make them thicker and stronger because one cocoon silk, this one is not thick enough to make a carpet. You must make it thicker, and we should unwind it, unravel. Let me show you. Here, somebody has done it before, just to save the time. Can you see how many of them come together? Can you see this?
Yeah.
How many of them? Maybe 15, 20, something like this, right? They don't count it. They do it by feeling, by hand. Because it doesn't matter, 15, 20, more or less. They are so fine. Look, can you see this? Just one of them. How fine it is. Can you pull it? It's coming out. Look.
Wow. It doesn't break?
Well, it breaks. Of course it breaks. But when many of them will come together, it'll be difficult to break. This is only one. But many of them come, then it's hard to break. But we should unwind it. Let me run this machine behind me. Watch what happens. It's unwinding. Can you see this? You put your hands. You want to feel. You can touch it, please.
But all the days they didn't have this system. They have the old
Pedals, with pedals. Not the electricity. Here. Open your hand, please. It's moving. Don't worry. Good? Do you want to see the worm? Do you want to see the silkworm?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes, they eat them. The Korean eat them. Right?
Is it alive after
No,
boiling?
they are
after
already dead.
After boiling?
No, not here.
Okay.
I didn't kill them.
Okay.
If I can break it, there you go. This is the silkworm inside. Like this.
Oh.
Silkworm.
Where does this come from? Like around here?
No, there's a city
Yeah.
named as Bursa, close to
Bursa.
Istanbul.
Yeah.
It's been the silk capital of Turkey for
Oh.
ages now.
Yes.
For a long time. Because of the climate. Climate is important.
Yeah.
They eat mulberry leaves only. Mulberry tree.
Yeah,
Yes.
my grandma has like a panel.
Yes.
Yes, a lot of animal eat a lot of leaves,
Yes,
special
I know.
leaves. So my cousin, they always collected the leaves and then give to
But
them.
they're main Bursa. Bursa is like the main. They
Yes.
just don't only make.
It was very close to Istanbul,
Yeah.
the capital of Ottomans,
Yeah.
close to the Sultan palaces. So because silk carpets were made, the carpet making began with wool, cheap material, easy material. But in time, like in 12th, now in the villages, remember, imagine the life of the village people, simple life in the mountains, no class, everybody's same, right?
Yeah.
But in 12th, 13th centuries, they made big cities in Turkey. They made palaces. Then there were classes in the society, like aristocracy, royalty, sultans, princes, kings, queens, whatever, to show that they belong to a different class in society, right? Silk carpets were made. It was it was very expensive. Still, it's expensive. Everybody cannot have a silk carpet. So, 10 times more expensive than a wool carpet, for example. So this was made for royalty. It was close to Istanbul. So the Bursa was chosen as the center
Okay.
of silk production.
Yeah.
Okay.